Welcome to the Alexandra Barcelona Curio Collection by Hilton. This lovely 8-story, 115-room hotel is located in Barcelona's cultural and fashion district. If you are looking for a good pre-cruise or post-cruise hotel option, or if you're just simply visiting Barcelona, the Alexandra Barcelona Hotel Curio Collection by Hilton is a really good option. We would like to show you around this beautiful hotel as we had a fascinating stay in the city of Barcelona. We chose to stay here 2 nights on a post-cruise transatlantic crossing. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and like this video, as it helps us continue to travel. The lobby area for the Alexandra Barcelona is decorated very nicely and it's very European. Has a nice sitting area here while you're waiting to check in. And as an added bonus, they actually have bicycle rentals. The lobby also features a small bar where you can also get small bites and small plates, and this includes the outside seating area as well. When we visited the bar later in the evening, it was very busy, including all of the tables outside, as it was a small hotspot in this section of Barcelona. One floor up from the lobby is the main restaurant for the Alexandra Barcelona. This is some video of the breakfast buffet we had the following morning, and it was everything you can imagine a typical European breakfast would be, and it was very tasty. Another really nice feature of this hotel is the outdoor space. that's in a courtyard of the hotel. They even have rooms for conventions, as you see here. Even though this hotel is relatively small, it has 3 separate restaurants. This is an outdoor bar and restaurant for the swimming pool and lounge area. It was very active in the evenings. This hotel did a really nice job with presentation and cleanliness, and it really gave that small boutique feeling for this hotel. As you can see in the Alexandra Barcelona, the public spaces are really pretty small for this hotel, but what it lacks in space, it sure does make it up in quality and presentation. Now let's take the elevator up to our room and do a room tour. Okay, this is our room at the Alexandria Barcelona Curio Collection Hotel in downtown Barcelona. Let's go in and take a room tour. Click the lights on here. Here we go. Oh, very nice. So as soon as you come in, you have very nice size closet, storage, both sides, and immediately to the right, nice bathroom. Oh, and looky here. What a bathtub. And on through. Wow, this is really nice. Nice seating area. It overlooks Barcelona. Nice desk and TV. Chair. Nice king size bed. And look at the ceiling work. This is a really classy looking room. And then we have a little mini bar over here. It's got a refrigerator and a coffee station. Bluetooth speaker, complimentary water. Fantastic space.